Hey there! Welcome to Knife Solution. Introducing the Calphalon Kitchen Knife Set with Self-Sharpening Block, a 15-piece collection of high-carbon knives. This set features a self-sharpening block, durable construction, and ergonomic handles for convenience, precision, and longevity. Stay tuned for our YouTube review, where we'll discuss performance and provide our final verdict.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening?
Pros and cons. Pros. Convenient self-sharpening block, durable high-carbon stainless steel. Versatile 15-piece set. Comfortable ergonomic handles. Full tang blades for balance. Cons. Self-sharpening mechanism maintenance. Takes up counter space. Relatively expensive. Limited blade variety. Some prefer manual sharpening. Overall customer ratings. If you want to buy this product, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. View more helpful video from our channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.